guys, it's Sharice from Collective Light, and today I decided to take you to yours truly's kitchen and make a smoothie. I've had this dragon fruit that I got from Sprouts. I'm not sure if you have a Sprouts where you are, but it's a farmer's market slash locally, local farmer type grocery store. And I got this cubed dragon fruit. And I used some of it for previous smoothies, but I've had so much left and wasn't sure what to do with it, so I decided to make a late night smoothie, and you will be here with me seeing if it even tastes good. So stay tuned. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys and tell you that I'm the best with ingredients, even though the job that I have requires me to make smoothies with specific ingredients. But when I'm at home, I just tend to throw a lot of things together until it tastes really good. So if you're looking for this smoothie for like specific measurements for you to have it taste as good, I would just suggest following along to this video, seeing what I do. Let's see the end result together, and then you can make adjustments accordingly. Not so straightforward, I apologize for that, but here we are on an adventure, so no rules here. All right, let's get started. So I have this organic coconut creamer from So Delicious because it is just so delicious. So we're gonna start out with that. I'm gonna be pouring about a cup first. Then I'm going to add all the dragon fruit that I have. It's not a lot, roughly about a cup's worth. So I'm gonna throw that in there. Alright, so dragon fruit is pretty bland, so I want to add a few other things in there to give it a lot of sweetness and everything like that. So let's go ahead and add blueberries. Get a little more flavor in there. It's roughly about almost a cup, so we're gonna have blueberry to dragon fruit ratio be pretty similar. Next, we have our hemp-based protein. Because I am super vegan, I love hemp protein. It is packed with protein. It is so good for you. It has a multitude of benefits. And this one it only has 4 ingredients inside, and it's 20 grams of protein per serving. So 1 serving is about 4 tablespoons. I'm not going to put that much in there right now. It's a late night smoothie, so I don't really need to go too crazy with the protein right now. So I'm going to put about a tablespoon just to start out. Give it a little bit more thickness. Add some protein to my life. Wonderful. I love the way it smells. I love the way it looks. Hemp protein is a great go-to if you want some extra protein in your life. Now I will be adding about a tablespoon of chia seeds. Great for omega-3s and all kinds of other things. Perfect. Now I'm gonna also add a little bit of water. I poured myself at least a third of water just to dilute the solution a little bit. Coconut creamer can be pretty thick, so I'm just gonna add some water in there first, just to have more liquid. Now, I don't have actual ginger with me right now, unfortunately, but I do have the ginger root supplement drops, so I am going to add a few drops of ginger in there just to add a little more flavor. And do about 10 drops. I'm gonna wait a little bit until we move forward and see if I need to add any stevia. So, okay, now we're ready to blend. I'm gonna go ahead and put my top on. This one has a a lot of features, so let's go ahead and start with mix. So it's not as thick as I thought it would be. It's actually a lot thinner, probably because I didn't have as much fruit as I really wanted. So that's okay, because it's not as thick as I want it to be. Let's see. I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of just like that. So I'm probably going to add some more creamer just to make it a little more creamy, and ice. So I have about 1.5 cups full of ice that I'm going to add. This one little piece wanted to, keep going. Whatever, it's fine. And then I'm going to add about 1/3 more of the creamer. Way thicker this time. Not crazy thick, but not crazy liquid either, so I like that. So let's go ahead and taste test this right now. First taste, wish me luck. Woo! Definitely bland. Definitely can taste a lot of creamer in here. So let's go ahead and add some stevia. The hemp protein definitely didn't have any stevia in there either. But the great thing about stevia is you only need to add a few drops for it to really sweeten something. So let's go ahead and add about 10 drops of stevia. Let's do 11 for good measure. Mix it up a little bit. Alright, let's try this again. Round 2. Now my issue is, which I know for a fact, is I don't have enough fruit. So you want to add like a banana in there to make it a lot more fruity, more thick. Let's double check and see if I have any kind of. So unfortunately, I don't have any more fruit inside of my kitchen at the moment, and I do not feel like going to the store. So the only thing that I really do have are these freshly squeezed lemons that I just squeeze a little bit of. It's not a lot of juice. I do have more lemons if necessary, but I'm going to add the remaining amount of lemon juice that I have squeezed into my smoothie to see if it'll make it sweeter, because lemons are very sweet. All right, lemon juice added. Let's go ahead and mix it again. Third time's a charm? Let's hope so. Here goes nothing. Much better. Now, I would suggest adding some more fruit if you have the availability. I would assume banana, pineapple. Pineapple would probably be really, really good to add some sweetness to this, but that I do not have at the moment. But other than that, I think all the other ingredients work very, very well. Put your protein powder as much or as little as you would like, as opposed to the protein that you need, and taste, because you can definitely taste hemp protein, so that also needs a little bit of sweetness to it. All right, let's go ahead and pour. Hey guys. Ooh, I love the color. It fits my cup perfectly. Wow. And here you have it. Dragonfruit blueberry smoothie. Bring it a little closer. Alright guys, and here we have it. Our dragonfruit blueberry hemp protein concoction. It's beautiful. I'm definitely gonna enjoy this. So, have a nice night. See you guys next time, and thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and just let me know any suggestions, anything else you'd like to see in the future, anything that you feel attuned to letting me know. Leave it down on the bottom, and I'll catch you guys next time. Have a good night.